We are standing in front of 29 Almadera Drive in Wayne, New Jersey. It's this beautiful home for sale. We're going to take a quick tour. It's a 4,200 square foot home. It's really, really beautiful. I can't wait to show you. So come on, let's go check it out. Beautiful day here in New Jersey. It's like 50 degrees finally. We get some nice weather. We're having an open house this Sunday from 12 to 3. Let's take a look at it. Okay. So I love this ceiling. When you walk in, the double stairs, foyer. There's a his and hers closet here. Beautiful granite floors. Really nicely done. So let's take a walk this way. So you have formal dining room and living room combination, great for entertaining. The kitchen is all granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry. I love the bar. Really a beautiful home. Now up here, if you notice, there's some green lights. So that's actually custom as well, and it can change color. The blue, red, white, multiple colors. So it's really cool for having some parties. You want a theme. Right now we got St. Patrick's Day up since it's just passed, but it could be any color. So let's go out here. So out here, the beautiful patio. You have a huge saltwater heated pool. It's closed now, obviously, because we're just getting into the nice weather. Beautiful area for the kids to play. And then back there in the summertime, they have a fire pit and a gazebo set up. So you have a lot of space. It's all fenced in. Again, this home is in Wayne, New Jersey. So it's a great location and great for a family. You're walking distance to the Wayne YMCA, and you're also walking distance to the Anthony Wayne School. So it's a great location. All right, let's go back inside. So over here, check this out. So over here, this has a really nice butler's bar, so you can put your wine, display your glasses. It's a really great feature, even if you're having a party and you want to put food there. Kind of could be your food station. It's really great entertaining space. So you have a huge living room with a beautiful marble fireplace. It's wood burning. Really, really nice. All right, so why don't we take a walk upstairs? Two ways to get upstairs. So you have the stairway here from the kitchen, and then there's the main entrance stairway. Oh yeah, I should meet you on the other side. Hold on, wait for me. Alright, check out upstairs. Too. They are throughout the first floor and majority of the second floor. They're red oak, which is a really beautiful hardwood. Okay, so this is one of the bedrooms. They converted it into an office. All of the bedrooms have brand new carpet, ceiling fans, nice windows, lots of closet space. This is another nice detail. These beautiful columns and arches. So when you walk in, you really feel a nice open space. This is the master bedroom. It's freshly painted. I love the windows here. This is probably my favorite room in the house because you get to see the whole backyard. And we actually have pictures online of the pool while it's open, and it really is a beautiful pool with a diving board grandfathered in. Little feature that not every home has. So this is the master bathroom. Nice, new, modern, double sinks for him and her. I love the jacuzzi soaking tub. Who wants to go in there after work? That tub is phenomenal. I think I need one of those. Maybe I should buy the house. No, not yet. Let me get married first. Okay, and now we have a great walk-in closet. Take a look in there. Beautiful. Love this walk-in closet. And another little feature that they put in are these French doors to really create some nice privacy to the master. Okay, so let's check out some other bedrooms. So this home is a total of 6 bedrooms upstairs. They're all very big, spacious. You can easily put a king or a queen bed in here. This is another bedroom, another view of the backyard. They put these nice built-ins to keep everybody organized. Nice little detail. Have a bathroom here. This is the main bath for these 2 bedrooms, again with the dual sinks. Bedroom here. Now they converted this bedroom into a gym. Close this closet. But it has the dual closet. This could also be another master because it is very large, and then there's a bathroom right across the hall. This bathroom is absolutely stunning. They just redid it. I love that shower, and I love these sinks. They're so beautiful. They really put a lot of detail. And then this is a great room for doing your laundry. So you have an entire room just to do your laundry. It is on the 2nd floor. Beautiful. Great for kids and a growing family. If you can't make it on Sunday to the open house, you can definitely set up an appointment to take a look. It's a beautiful home. All right, let's go back downstairs. Here.